Well, over the past few months, a Faceless YouTube channel has gotten millions of views. Devoid of any recognizable faces, the channel has made a remarkable $15,000 by publishing seemingly basic yet deeply motivating content. Dig deeper into its roots, and you will find that it started 6 months ago. Notably, the second video he posted had 1.5 million views. The cumulative views for the channel have now crossed the 4 million mark, a feat that can only be described as amazing. I will show you how to make this type of channel and earn money. Now, quickly go to the Lexica art website, download photos similar to Stoic Bond's YouTube channel, and add them to your channel. By doing this, you will help provide an engaging visual experience to your audience. After finishing this article, you will be ready to start a Faceless YouTube channel. By following the steps taught here and applying the right techniques and strategies, you will find success in the YouTube world. The second part, content production. In this section, you will get to know the methods of producing various content for your channel. From writing video scripts to using the right images and music, will help you create engaging and effective content for your channel. The third part, optimization and advertising. In this section, you will learn how to optimize and advertise your channel on YouTube. From search engine optimization and using the right keywords to YouTube ads, we will provide you with effective tips and solutions. Now let's create a unique voice ID for our business on YouTube. 11labs.io is one of the most successful voice sites that has attracted many audiences by using a special and inspiring voice. I will give you a complete guide to creating a similar sound to the Stoic Bond channel. Considering the importance of voice in creating a successful YouTube channel, creating a unique voice identity is very important. By using the tips provided in this article, you will be able to create a sound similar to Stoic Bond's channel and attract your audience. Now, with the Capcut program, I will make a video of the sound photos that we have prepared. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. In today's world, creating attractive and effective videos for social networks can be one of the best ways to attract an audience and promote your business. Video editing programs like Capcut offer powerful tools to create professional and attractive videos. In this article, we'll show you how to make amazing videos using ready-made photos and sounds using Capcut. After finishing editing, save your video and share it on various social networks. By using Capcut, you can create high-quality and more attractive videos and attract your audience. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The first step to start working with Capcut is to install it on your device. After installation, run the program and get ready to start working. 2. Adding pictures and sounds. By using the ability to add photos and sounds in the Capcut program, you can design your videos in a unique and attractive way. To add photos, use your device's gallery and select the desired images. Then, using the Add Audio menu, you can add ready-made sounds to the video. Capcut is a powerful tool for creating professional and attractive videos using ready-made photos and sounds. By following the steps outlined in this article, you can create engaging and unique videos that will captivate your audience. Now quickly go to Capcut app, add the ready-made photos and sounds you have prepared, and make attractive videos. With constant effort and practice, you can improve your skills in creating professional videos using this program.